Why are people poor? Let us delve into the 12 habits of poor people. In this eye-opening presentation, we will explore common habits that can hinder financial well-being. Remember, the goal is not to criticize or judge, but to identify patterns and offer insights for positive change. First on the list, living beyond means. One of the most common habits among poor individuals is spending more money than they earn. They may succumb to the allure of instant gratification, making impulsive purchases without considering the long-term consequences. The second habit is the lack of financial planning. Poor people often neglect to create budgets, set financial goals, or plan for emergencies. Without a roadmap, they struggle to manage their finances effectively, leading to a cycle of financial instability. The third is having no savings or investments. A key difference between the poor and the financially stable is the absence of a savings and investment mindset. Poor individuals tend to live paycheck to paycheck, leaving no room for building wealth or preparing for the future. The fourth habit is neglecting education and skill development. Poor people often overlook the importance of continuous learning and skill development. Without upgrading their knowledge or improving their skills, they may find it challenging to secure higher-paying jobs. And now we are on the fifth habit, which is relying on loans and debt. Poor individuals may frequently resort to borrowing money without a concrete repayment plan. This habit creates a vicious cycle of debt as interest accumulates, making it increasingly difficult to break free from financial burdens. And the sixth, and one of the most important ones, is ignoring health and wellness. Poor people often prioritize immediate needs over their health and wellness. Neglecting healthcare, exercise, and proper nutrition can lead to increased medical expenses and decreased productivity in the long run. The seventh habit is the lack of goal setting. Without clear goals, poor individuals struggle to stay motivated and take proactive steps toward improving their financial situation. Setting achievable goals provides direction and helps create a sense of purpose. And the eighth is limited networking and social connections. Poor people may find it challenging to expand their social and professional networks. Building connections can open doors to opportunities, mentorship, and access to valuable resources. We are now on the ninth habit, and that is procrastination and lack of discipline. Poor individuals often struggle with procrastination and lack the discipline needed to achieve their goals. Delaying important tasks or failing to follow through can hinder progress and perpetuate financial struggles. And the 10th is having a negative mindset and self-limiting beliefs. Poor individuals may harbor negative attitudes about money and their ability to improve their circumstances. These self-limiting beliefs can create barriers to personal and financial growth. The 11th on the list is impulsive decision-making. Poor people tend to make impulsive decisions without carefully evaluating the consequences. These decisions often lead to wasteful spending, missed opportunities, and further financial setbacks. And finally, the last habit of poor people is the lack of financial literacy. Poor individuals frequently lack basic financial knowledge, such as budgeting, saving, and investing. By increasing financial literacy, they can make informed decisions and build a solid foundation for a prosperous future. Remember, acknowledging these habits is the first step toward positive change. By cultivating new habits, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and continuous learning, anyone can embark on a journey toward financial well-being. Thank you for joining us today on this insightful exploration of the 12 habits of poor people. May this video serve as a catalyst for personal growth, financial stability, and a brighter future.